This is Lauren's inspection form we're using for 5400. What? Okay. Right now we're doing oil pressure, but this is the whole checklist. It's pretty involved. So, we did the lights already. Temperature gauge, doesn't have one. Now we're doing all the oil pressure.
Right now I'm doing oil pressure check, which is vital to these buses. See right there? Now I'm going to take the throttle. You watch right here. We're at 8 pounds, which is okay. We're going to rev it wide open. For 48 pounds, I don't like.
Too low?
Yeah, it's important. I don't like 48 pounds, but it's acceptable. I will throw this away. This is useless. Modern oils, you don't need it. And we will modify oil pressure. This and I do. Normally, we take oil pressure and that gauge off here. This has been changed. So I'm trying to see where you're taking the oil pressure from. On this, because I'm not happy with the oil pressure. See this line right here? This is going to the back of the engine somewhere. We need to investigate that to see if somebody has changed this and mixed it up. We want to know what accurate oil pressure is. So I'm going to write this bus up for oil pressure check.